Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand with these ratings. You are going to love the 2024 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.